Yo, what's up guys, Razor here, welcome to new video on my channel. Today I recording Keydrop, 1k on my balance. Before I start, don't forget to use my promo code Razor Affiliate. Just click on add funds in top right corner. In a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply. 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. On left side you can find payment methods. You can pay by skins, you can pay by crypto, gift cards, Visa card, MasterCard and more. Also you can click on promotional code in top left corner and you can enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click collect. If you're looking for free gold, you can click on free gold section. You can scroll down and you can find all steps how to claim it. You can join on Keydrop Discord server, you can follow Keydrop on TikTok, you can join on Keydrop Facebook group and more. Just scroll down to find every steps. On Keydrop you can open cases, you can join on case battles, you can join on events, tournaments, giveaways. You can check this one event, major event, 2 days left. You can open major event cases. I will try with core case. Let's try to open 3 of them. So okay, let's try one more. 3 cases, come on. Let's try to upgrade maybe. I'll try to hit 10x. This one 8k, so unlucky guys. Okay, with 3 golds you can open 3 cases, so I will try with emerald cut. I got 38k, so emerald cut is 19. Let's try to open. I can open 2 of them, so wish me luck guys. Let me see, come on. Hit me something good, please. Okay, this one M4 is not bad. Okay, it's only $16. Yeah, that's really bad. That's really bad. Okay, let's start with case battles. Also, guys, you can join on free case battles. You just need to find icon free, green icon, and you can join on free battle. But I will create my own case battle. Let me see. Which case? I don't know, maybe. How much is Cobra case? $78. That's too much, I think. Let's try with bubble. Okay, bubble. 5 of them. Let's create and waiting for player to join. Okay, 1 joined. Come on. Another one, mug. Come on. Hit me something good, bro. Okay, this one M4, $8 I have, please. Oh my god. He did with $10. Come on, bro, please. Unlucky this one. First one case battle, unlucky guys. Okay, let's join maybe on case battle. Okay, let's see this one. $51. Only 2 cases. Come on. Please, something good. Okay, first one, how much? $13. Okay. 1 more case. I need profit here. Only $10 voucher I won, but it's not profit. Oh my god, that's not profit. I lost $15. Okay, let's try with case battle 1 more. Okay, this one looks good. $32 this one. 8 cases, so let's see this one. How much is this one case? Blackbeard. Okay, this one USP is good. How much? Okay, $13. I lead now. Come on, just keep. Imagine talon knife, guys. Imagine talon knife. Come on. Okay, that's not bad. 3 more dragon cases. Let's see dragon cases. Okay, I lead. Just keep, just keep. Hit me something good now. 26-14. Okay, last one case. Please, dude. Okay, I win. Okay, that's not bad. $44. Okay, let's try with upgrade now. Let's try 10x here. This one USP. I need one more, come on. Okay. Lose. Okay, let's try with this one M4. 5x. This one AK, $38, 17%, come on. Oh my god, bro, please hit me. Okay, this one MP9 5x, come on. Right water, please, M4. That's so unlucky, that's so unlucky, guys. Okay, let's create case battle now. Okay, this one. Let's try with 5 cases. 3 players, okay. $80 case battle, come on. Only 5 cases. Okay, let's try with bots. Okay. Case battle with 2 bots, come on. Okay, I lead with $26. $30. Bottom 41, please, dude. He's 62 now. Please just hit me now. Hit me something good. Drop it. Ah, so unlucky, guys. So unlucky. Let's try with same case battle. I've got same bots. Let's see now. Come on, just drop it. Drop one knife. 3 more cases. I'm 19, Pudgy 20 and bottom 18. Okay, this one AK, how much? $14. Okay, I lead with 33. Just drop now, something good. No way, dude, no way. Okay, guys, let's see this one case battle. 2 knives case battle. 1 knives and 1 new knives case. So, wish me luck, guys, for a big profit. Nobody joined. I will leave this one. I will create new one. Only 1 knife case battle, this one. Okay, create. Let's join now, please. Nobody joined it. Let's add bot. Let's try with Tom bot. He can't win 3 case battles. Come on, bro, please. Please. Left, just be left, please. Left side. Please. Okay, I win $252. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's join this one. $192. Diffuser cases, 6 cases. Looking for profit, dude, please. First one, $7. Okay, $200 Keydrop, guys. $200. Okay, $80. This one I'm for 11, please. I need one knife, only one knife. Just drop it. Just drop only one knife. Oh my god. No way. No way. Okay, this one is $100. Come on. 9 cases. Major event cases, so let's see. Yeah, first one is so unlucky. You got $48, 8k. Both got $100 voucher. I got only 20 and 2.5, so let's see. I need one knife, only one knife. Oh my god, imagine 5k voucher, guys. Imagine 5k voucher. One knife. Drop it, bro, please. Just drop it. That's unlucky, guys. Let's try with contracts. Okay, how much? $36. So let's try. Only 9.60. Only 9.60. Okay, I'll try to upgrade. Let's try to hit 5x. Okay, let's try with Bowie knife. Free hand, come on, 5x. Stop, stop, stop! Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I'll try to upgrade knives maybe. Let's try to hunt Bayonet Black Laminate. Let's try with 50-50. So, come on, please. 3, 2, 1, go, please. No way, guys. Guys, use my promo code Razor Affiliate. Click on Add Founds in top right corner. Enter my promo code Razor Affiliate. And just click apply. 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Also follow me on my Twitter Razor Affiliate, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next video. Bye.